On this long journey to the boatyard, this time on Wandersailing, we get the princess seat in cockpit, the boat gets a new name, the rudder gets installed, and we finally get back to the water. But before all that, here's how it went.
Welcome to the war zone.
Hello.
This place is a mess. No, it's fine. We can live like this. What are we hooking up?
The windlass, and I'm installing a breaker for the solar panel. So less chance of, I don't know, fire or whatever.
Yeah.
Those things.
Yeah, we like safety. And just passing some cables from the V-berth over there all the way to the aft cabin. It's also a bit of a mess in here. It's a little bit dark. We're getting our payments for getting 2 bolts off someone's boat.
Yeah.
How many beers did we get?
10 cases.
10 cases of beer.
Gentlemen here.
Everybody's already.
This guy, he's already into his beers. One got a hole in it, so he's gonna shotgun it. Woohoo!
What happened? It's got a little pinhole.
Want a shotgun too, Chi-Chi?
This guy Chi-Chi at the boatyard bet me 10 flats of beers that I couldn't get those 2 rusted bolts from his boat. 30 minutes later, they were out. Which he was pretty stoked about because he got some ridiculous quotes from the boatyard. 10 flats of beers were $60 US in Mexico.
How's that old back?
I feel a lot younger since I started doing boat work.
They built us some new seats. You guys want to say hi?
Built, gonna have new seats. Yeah, new seats, but swim platform. This propane thing is gonna go on a rail. One here, one there. So here you can see I'm using some transparent plastic to do the pattern to have a perfect shape. So I'm just going around the tube and doing a pattern that way. Still have to do the other side, and I'm still unsure if I'm going to use that starboard or some fiberglass. After the welder is finished doing the propane tank supports, there was a bit of play which I wanted to get rid of, so I just used the winches to be able to pull this
So
bar
a little
in.
change of plans. We found that the last one was pulling the bottom of the railing towards us, so we don't want that. So now I extend this here.
Yeah, let's see if that works.
See if it works, and that works. Oh yeah. And in the meantime, check out our cool new nav pot. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay, so let's see if that works. This one is pretty snug though.
It's your turn to say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing here, Magnus?
What I'm doing here?
Documentary? Yeah.
You're making a documentary?
Yeah.
Well, I'm here to travel the world.
Yeah.
Hopefully not get killed.
By the ocean?
You only die once in a
By
while.
yourself?
The ocean or the people at the pub? I don't know.
Oh, the people at the pub. What are you planning on doing at the pub?
Well, I can't say that now.
Okay, tell us about this little project, baby.
So we're doing some of the swim steps.
So we got a ton of layers here,
Yeah.
and that's the mold. It's a nice looking mold, but now they're not the same, so you have to do another one for the other step, eh?
Yeah.
God damn welders.
You got a good deal, Mexican work, but things are not symmetrical.
Worth it?
That's the price to pay.
Questionable.
I don't know. First time I do it, so.
Mr. and Scientist at work.
Yeah, welcome to my lab.
He's making some meth. Is that what you're staring at?
Sure.
Well, fiberglass is basically as toxic as meth, probably.
Not as fun though.
Not as fun. How's the progress?
Okay, I don't know if it's Can be a nice revel. Those are hard to do.
Yeah. It's looking good.
What's going on here?
I've never cut a chicken in my life. And I'm watching YouTube to figure out how to do it.
So just take your finger.
No, but I don't know which joint is which. And I just feel it's hip.
Okay. I'm gonna be right here eating chips if you need me.
Okay, you might need to eat a lot of chips because we might not have this might not happen. We just set the first piece of teak on the new steps. Had a bit of a change of plans because Eric remembered he had some teak and then we got some from some friends.
And it's beautiful!
Yay! Hello! Eric just finished the steps, or at least cutting the pieces.
Yeah.
Look how pretty. Exciting times!
We got Kona here making friends with the local. Mer. So we modified the rudder's keg here so it's easier to clean when we dive under the boat. But we found some void here in the fiberglass, which we're gonna fill. Now I'm gonna fill them up with putty that I made with silica powder. And now I mix it up until I get it the thickness that I want, so it doesn't drip off.
Yeah.
Man, that looks like gold.
Yeah, don't try to steal it.
It's gold.
Good luck on getting this stuff.
What are you doing, Kona? Being a circus monkey? Release!
Such a smart pup. Yeah. Well, it's the beginning of a new era.
She kept the end for the end.
The end for the what?
For the end. I'm just kidding.
Oh, I love this tool.
Yeah,
It's the best.
you're welcome. Just tired to see Black Dragon. So we're gonna call it White Dragon.
I'm done with it.
No, it's not gonna be White Dragon. What's going on here?
We're putting the new name on. It's exciting, but there's a lot of things in the way, so have to make some adjustments and try to make the letters fit without covering anything it shouldn't.
Oh, Wandersailing.
Yeah, look at that mermaid.
Oh, that's a sexy one.
Ooh, sexy.
So we've been at the Boatyard since October 27 and it's now December 15. So yeah, it's been a month and a half. Who made this?
Yours truly, Natalie. Sexy mermaid's coming. Ow, ow, ow!
There we go. We finally have a talon back.
No!
What happened?
There's something in it, like a piece of dust or something. So that makes a little bubble. But it's okay because she's in the water.
Polished the hull today. So if they find a machine.
Which they better. Did it come up?
No, well, it just moved.
Yeah.
Or my eyes did. I don't know.
There's a chance it was your eyes. You really wanted to leave that part for last, eh?
Just keep the best for the end.
When I was designing the logo, the first one I sent, he was like, can you like add some boobies? Like more boobies. And then the second revision, just more boobies.
Well, if you can design your mermaid, just the way you like it.
Yeah. Yeehaw! There she is.
Damn.
Okay, move back, baby. Come on. do that after. We just want the reveal, damn. Ta-da!
What is it?
Bria Mia?
Yeah.
I don't see the M. I see the M now in the whale tail.
Yeah.
I mean in the mermaid tail.
Yeah.
That's cool though. Should maybe put it on the back. You got too much stuff working back there.
It looks like a Christmas tree for sure. But I'll even have the steps, so it'll make it even more crowded. But like that's where I have to put it.
Why you couldn't put it on the side?
Because when you get registered, you need one in the back and two in the front.
Where?
We just put the rudder in, and Eric's just putting some putty at the top, at the bottom.
Epoxy putty, yeah.
So that stuff doesn't drip down when we syringe it from the top.
He's right.
This is right.
How do you feel about the rudder being installed?
So excited. So excited. Did you show your Jesus Christ?
No.
Don't want to offend anyone, but don't you see it?
I think the other side might be better.
You think? There it is.
So what was that for? Celebrate Christmas? Or?
No, it was because we had to break the seal before it cured. And between three guys, they couldn't really move it. So leverage, people. Leverage.
Yep.
Who thought about that? That guy. So smart.
What's going on, Kona? Kona is a bit of a fanatic of this famous game playing fetch. Nelly is preparing to go on Mars with her astronaut suit.
From here to the moon.
People say like, oh, you guys are lucky. This is what cruising is mostly like, isn't it?
Yeah, so fun.
So Natalie painted this hull. It looks pretty fantastic. Got the new name on. Bam! Bria Mia. So things getting along. Had the new windlass, new mantis anchor, and since we're there, we got this one. It's gonna go on the stern. Got the new mantis bow roller. So got this reinforced so we can sit there, watch dolphins, do backflips, and do workouts. So we stayed awake from until 2 in the morning, and we're a bit late. So about 30 minutes late because we didn't have the dinghy on deck, and those guys are getting the boat ready. And Natalie is about to paint just the bottom of the keel as they're lifting it. So it's a bit chaotic, but we're getting there. So let's see how it goes. For the car?
I don't know actually.
We need to run there then.
What?
We need to catch the boat when they put it on there so we catch the line.
I know, I just don't know if I have the key.
Well, I'm just otherwise we have to run.
I have it.
Here she's coming.
Me? No, not me.
She's right there.
Bria.
And finally back in the water after not sleeping much, and we're a bit chaotic. We had to say.
Yeah, we got a couple hours of sleep, and we're very late today, which the guys took okay. Apparently it happens often. But we're so excited.
Everybody's on Mexico time.
Yeah.
Those guys have so much experience apparently. They never make mistakes.
Jeez. buoys.
The next episode, we finally hit the water after spending 2 months in the boatyard doing the refit, and Nat gets to do her first crossing.
Thank you so much to our sponsors and our patron family who make this adventure possible. To become part of it, click on the link to the right. And if you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to follow along the adventure.